Hello, welcome back to WorldCraft Logistics TV. My name is Kaylin Tran. Today, we're going to dive deep into a current critical issues that is affecting the businesses worldwide, that is the labor shortage crisis in the whole supply chain management. So as we all know, from truck drivers to warehouse workers, the impact of labor shortage in the supply chain management is far-reaching and can disrupt the whole supply chain. But don't worry, we're going to help you explore the causes, the consequences, and offer you some potential solution to this problem. So now let's get started. So first, we need to understand the supply chain. What is supply chain? So first, we need to understand what is labor shortage. What is labor shortage? So let's look at the numbers. Nowadays, the labor shortage in the supply chain is a growing concern. With millions of jobs unfilled, it's time to look at the root causes. So the causes of the labor shortage can come from multiple factors. The first factor can be the aging workforce, which means the workforce is getting older every day. And the second factors can be it is the COVID-19 pandemic, which I think is the biggest reason. And the last factor can be the evolving job preferences, which means people change their mindsets in choosing job. They change their preferences in choosing job. So next, we're gonna see the impact of the labor shortage on the supply chain. So the labor shortage can lead to, delayed deliveries, high costs, and supply chain bottlenecks. So what is supply chain bottlenecks? Supply chain bottleneck is a point of congestion in the production system that prevents the goods from going through the whole supply chain. So you can imagine there is a bottle, and then there is a point in the neck that is the point of congestion that prevents the good from going through the whole supply chain. So why the cost is rising? Because companies are struggling to find co-workers, so labor shortage must rise and the profits margin shrink. There are several solutions and strategies to this problem. First of all is the recruitment efforts, which means the efforts we made on recruiting employees. So companies are getting more creative now. They partner with school. They offer many competitive benefits to attract and retain talent. And number two, the solution number two is the automation and technology. So automation and technology play a fundamental role in supplementing the workforce and improving efficiency in the supply chain. So third is the upskilling and training. So businesses should invest in employee training and upskilling programs so that they can cultivate skilled workforce while filling other crucial roles. However, let's have a positive look on this issue. Although I know that labor shortage poses a very significant challenge on us, but businesses who can adapt and innovate can still develop in this changing landscape. So let's take action now. Let's take an action now. That's why we want to hear from you. Please leave your insights and ideas in the comments below. So to sum up, thank you so much for joining us in our exploration of the labor shortage in the supply chain management today. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell in that corner to get updated with our recent content. Together, we will navigate the challenges and build a more resilient supply chain. Thank you for watching, and peace.